Alright, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Hey Soul Sister by Train. This song will use 4 chords. I'm going to be teaching it to you in the key of C, however it's originally in the key of E. So if you want to play along, just put your capo on the 4th fret and you'll be good to go. So the first chord you're going to need is a C chord. Now for this chord, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to put it on the 1st fret of the B string. And then you're going to take your middle finger, it's going to go on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the A string, and you're going to play the bottom 5 strings. The next chord you're going to need is a G major chord. Now for this one, you take your pinky, it'll go on the 3rd fret of the high E string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then you play all 6 strings. Next chord you're going to need is an A minor chord. This one, you take your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret of the G string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then you play all 5 strings. Then the last chord you're going to need is an F major chord. So for this chord, there's 2 ways of playing it. You can either take your pointer finger and bar the whole 1st fret, or if you don't want to do that or can't do that, you can just bar the bottom 2 strings, the B and E string on the bottom there. Then you're going to take your middle finger, it's going to go on the 2nd fret of the G string. Your pinky is going to go on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the A string. Now, if you're barring all 6 strings with your pointer finger there on the 1st fret, you're going to play all 6 strings. If you're just barring the bottom 2, you're only going to play the bottom 5 strings. Sounds very similar, you're just not getting the bass note in there. So, whichever one you prefer, it's up to you. They'll sound pretty much identical when you're playing. The chord progression for this song is C, G, A minor, F. And that's the chord progression through the first verse. Sorry, for the intro and for the verses. In the chorus, it's a little different. You go F, G, C, G, F, G, C, G. Then you repeat that first line from the chorus, ending. So it's F, G, C, G, F. Then you go to the C. G at the end there. And the bridge is the same as the chorus. Same as the intro and the verses. C, G, A minor, F. On the 2nd and 4th lines of the verse, instead of going C, G, A minor, F, it actually goes C, G, A minor, and then half of F, then you play a half G at the end, and then back to the C. So it sounds like... Now the last piece you'll need for this song is this strum pattern. Now this strum pattern it's not perfect, but it's the best I could really get without making it too complicated. So you're gonna go down, skip on the and. So it's 1 and, so on 1 you go down, on and you don't play anything, and then on 2 you go back down and you go up and down, down on the beat, up on the and for 2, 3, and 4. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. A little faster, it's 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and like that. And that's the same strum pattern for the whole song. And then you just follow the chord progression and it should sound pretty good. I hope you guys enjoy.